As climate change alters the way of life around the world, many will be forced to leave their homes behind. Much of this is going to be caused by sea level rise, flooding, and drought. Much of Asia is going to encounter these effects. In Pakistan, the population is becoming very vulnerable to flooding and drought. During the dry season, the Indus River, flowing from the Himalayas, experiences greater flow from melting glaciers. As temperatures increase, these Himalayan glaciers will melt more and more each year. This excess melt will cause extreme flooding, which will cause a multitude of problems for the people of Pakistan. By 2100, a majority of the glaciers feeding the river systems for Pakistan will likely be gone. When the dry season hits Pakistan, these glaciers are crucial for farmers and industries connected to agriculture. When the flow decreases as glaciers sink, drought will be a major issue. With drought, farms in the Indus River Valley will struggle to generate crop yield that can sustain the population. Famine will likely occur. If this occurs, people will need to leave behind their homes and move elsewhere, creating a large migration from the rural areas to the cities in Pakistan to find work. Migration and refugee crisis will be on the rise as climate change raises temperatures and similar situations take hold in other areas of the world supported by glaciers. Not much can be done to mitigate these problems Pakistan faces. Gradual migration will occur in these regions, and we must be ready for it.